Hey everyone, today we'll create this amazing UI slide or reveal animation completely from scratch inside After Effects. So make sure to watch till the end because you'll learn lots of useful tips and techniques in this tutorial. And before we dive in, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get started. So here we are in After Effects. I have these two UI dashboard images which I used in my previous tutorial. You'll get the download link for this UI in the description so that you can follow along with me. Now make a new composition and call it UI holder comp. Set its size to a 16:9 ratio, then press OK. Now import the dashboard 1 PNG into it and set its scale value to 57. Now right-click on this layer, go under Layer Styles and select Stroke. Set its color like this and its size value to 4. Now make a new composition and call it main comp and set its duration to around 7 seconds. Drag the UI holder comp into it. Make this layer 3D and adjust its position like this. Now hold the Alt key and click on the stopwatch to add an expression and copy-paste this expression into it. You'll get this expression in the description. Now when we duplicate this layer, its Z position will be affected by 100 units each time and its Y position by -70. Let's change this Y value to -40. Duplicate this layer 4 times. Set this layer's X rotation to around 12 degrees for a better look. Make keyframes on its position and drag them over here in the timeline. At the beginning, adjust its Z and Y positions like this. Now we'll adjust this layer in the opposite direction. First, change its label color for better clarity. Then, adjust its position like this over here. Make a keyframe on its X rotation and adjust it like this. Go a few frames ahead and adjust its position like this. Ease these keyframes and adjust the graph editor. Also adjust the keyframe velocity like this to get continuous movement on the UI. Now make a new null layer and make it 3D. Adjust its anchor point to the bottom of the composition like this. Parent all the dashboard layers to this null. Now make keyframes on the null layer's position and the X rotation over here in the timeline. Adjust its X rotation to around 12 degrees and its Y position like this. Then go over here in the timeline and set its Y position outside the composition and increase its X rotation. Now copy this keyframe easing and paste it onto these keyframes using the ease copy script. Select all the dashboard layers and offset them by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Alt and dragging them like this. Adjust the keyframe positions accordingly to get a smooth animation. Now we'll create the cursor animation. For that, select the pen tool, set its fill to a linear gradient like this, and set its stroke color to dark blue with stroke value of 3. Turn on the proportional grid and draw a cursor like this. You can also use a ready-made cursor if you don't want to create one. Adjust its gradient like this. Set the anchor point at the top of the cursor and set its scale value to around 15. Make keyframes on its position and rotation. Then animate the cursor's position and rotation like this. Move the cursor on top of the dashboard layer. Go a few frames ahead and change its position over here and rotate it like this. Then drag it out of the composition like this and rotate it again. Now select the pen tool and adjust the path handles like this. Copy-paste the same easing onto these keyframes and now slightly adjust the scale of this cursor and the bottom UI layer to create a click impact effect. Copy-paste these scale keyframes at the ending and then time reverse them. At the beginning, you may notice that the UI layers are already visible. This happens because of the index expression we added earlier. To fix this, select all the UI layers and adjust their positions like this. Now reposition the cursor like this. Apply the echo effect to the cursor layer and adjust its values like this. Then apply glow and tweak its values until you get a nice glow. Duplicate the glow effect and adjust its radius. Now make a new solid layer, call it BG, and apply the 4-color gradient effect. Adjust its color points like this. Add an expression to its points and write wiggle 0.5, comma 1200 under parenthesis. Then copy paste this expression to the other points. Apply a drop shadow effect to this UI layer. Increase its softness. Change its color like this, and set its opacity to 20 to get a subtle shadow. Copy paste this effect onto the other UI layers as well. Lastly, apply the posterized time effect to the cursor layer. And this is our final animation. You can easily replace the UI content by going inside the dashboard comp and changing the design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. And if you want to grab the premium project files, you can get them from my Ko-fi page. The link is in the description below. I'll see you in the next tutorial.